A lot of people are building speakers, but far fewer are making DIY headphones. However, making headphones is kinda easier and cheaper, especially with a 3D printer. There are a few 3D printable headphone designs on the internet, but they all have some flaws. And they are not really customizable, neither really durable. I wanted something better, that's why I decided to build my own. It can be that hard, right? I mean, it's just two speakers on the case. First, I needed a CAD software, so I googled best free CAD software, Reddit. I learned that there's only one free CAD, which is FreeCAD. Actually, it worked pretty good. After a few hours, I could confidently use the part design and sketch workbenches, and I didn't need more than these two. I made the STL files available for free, so everyone can print them out and make their own headphones. My headphones consist of a headband, a yoke arm, a driver holder, and a rear cavity. The best thing about my headphone is that the rear cavity size and driver ear distance are customizable. There are 7 different size rear cavity options and also more possible driver ear distance. Because of this, the headphone can work with almost every 30 and 40mm headphone driver. I used the Dayton Audio CE38MB32 and CE30MB16B drivers, tested them with different combinations and chose the best sounding one. Because the 3D printed parts are not airtight, I had to seal the rear cavity with silicone. This made a huge difference in sound quality, so this is a very important step. I also needed to seal the space between the driver holder and the rear cavity, the space where the wire comes in, and the space between the driver and the driver holder. During the testing, I used blue tack as a temporary sealant. The assembly was easy. The yoke arms are going into the headband, and the driver holder and rear cavity are held together with silicone and 3 zip ties per side. For the decoration, I made some coin-like parts, which can fit into the back of the rear cavity. There's one with a skull and one with a bass guitar. I also made a headphone tester from a cheap microphone and some 3D printed parts. So at the end of the video, you can listen to the headphones that I made compared to my Sennheiser HD 450 BT.